You filming? We already opened this one. It's some washable mopping pads for this Braava Jet that I'm going to open. I'll just show these first. So we decided to get some of these because I read in reviews that people who bought these think that they work better than the disposable pads that you get with the Braava Jet. So those there. Right. So this is the second cleaning robot that we have bought. The first cleaning robot we bought was a Roomba, and we bought that 2 years ago, and it's been really excellent. So we thought it's about time we've got another cleaning robot, and this Braava Jet, when they were first available in the UK, they were £250 on Amazon, but they've recently been reduced to £200, so got £50 knocked off them, which was another reason why we decided to buy it now. Okay, so let's see. I've got a little tag there. Oh, isn't it dinky?
Very small.
Which was one of the reasons why we wanted this rather than the full. We didn't want the full size Braava floor mopping robot, because we've got a tiny bathroom and lots of nooks and crannies, and we wanted something that would be able to get into those gaps, but that is actually smaller than I thought it would be, which is a good thing, because it's tiny, isn't it? Look at that next to my hand.
Turn it over, let's have a look in a minute.
So turn it over. It's got some nice. What do you call that when it moves? What do you call it when it moves?
Basic suspension, isn't it?
Suspension, yeah, that's the word.
Very soft tyres, very soft.
Very soft, yes. And seems to move a bit as well. So this, I believe, will be where you put the. Oh no, you put it on there, don't you? So does a battery go in here? Read the instructions, Jude. Oh, that's the battery.
That's the battery at the back, isn't it?
Oh, that's where you charge it. Okay.
Oh, that's where the battery goes.
And you I think that's just for, you just move that for putting the pad on. Okay. And you just got the one button on the top, which was one of the things that was said to be a feature, the fact that it's easy, you just got one button to press. It's got a yellow tab here, so shall I pull that? It's got an arrow. Shall I pull it?
Pull it.
Oh, it's just I was expecting something exciting to happen there.
It's just packaging, isn't it? Transport packaging.
Oh, so that's allowing that to move like this. So it's like a bumper bar, isn't it?
I think that might be they call it an oscillating cleaning head. It's able to move, isn't it?
Oh, right. So what have we got next?
So is there a battery in there?
Well, the battery's going to be in this box. Oh, there we go. Pull that out so we can see what we've got here. So we've got 2 of these cleaning pads. I've got some keys on here, so that's a wet pad. It's got somewhere on here, I can't remember, there's somewhere where you fill it up. I'll have to read the instructions if you want to put water in.
Yeah.
I'll have to read the instructions for that. I've got 2 of these. Now, is that damp?
Looks like it.
And then we've got 2 of these, which is for dry mopping. What's that?
No idea.
I don't
Battery.
understand. Well, the battery's in it, so the battery isn't in it.
No, the battery goes in the bag. There.
Oh! Oh, not very bright. Right, so pull that off.
I would read the instructions before you do that.
Well, look, it says pull it off. It's got a arrow.
Okay. Small, isn't it?
And then it's... Oh! I've just discovered the handle.
Oh, very good.
Oh, right, that's where you put the water.
Ah, so the carry handle hides the...
Not sure what this is yet.
That's where the water goes in.
So this must be the charger. Yeah, that's the charger. So you take the battery out of here
Yes.
and you put it in the charger.
You take the plastic out
Now,
first.
do you think that'll need charging, won't it? I wouldn't have thought it'll come charged. Because I know when we got the Roomba,
They usually come part charged, don't they?
I know when we got the Roomba, the first thing you had to do was charge it up. But we've got the booklet here, instructions. Oops. So that's the warranty. Braava Jet, so that's 2-hour charging time, and showing you putting the battery in to the charger there, and then sliding the pad on the bottom, filling it with water.
Is it, I'm just looking at this one here. Does that mean you can get an app for an iPhone or an iPad and control it from
Ooh.
there? Looks like it, doesn't it?
You know, that rings a bell. I think I
Right.
did see something about that, yeah.
Interesting.
So, very simple to use. As I say, that was one of the things that was mentioned as a selling point, that they'd made it as simple as possible to use. Even so, we've got a book
An
like
inch thick
that.
instruction manual. It's probably in
I
about 50
don't
languages.
know why this is so thick. I do know why. It's in different languages. So
It's very light,
this
isn't
is
it?
English. So the manual is actually, it only goes from page 1 there to 17.
Okay.
This is just all of the languages. So the manual is actually 17 pages long, so it is very short.
Time to have a look at the manual then. Okay.